Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the location of all your saved recordings inside of OBS Studio. Now by default, all of your recordings will end up in this folder called videos over here. As you can see, this is all of my past recordings. Now to change this location, what we need to do is head over to OBS Studio. I'm going to head into settings in the bottom right hand side. From this navigation on the left, select output, and down here inside of recording, you can see we have this recording path and it's currently set to videos. Now to change this is very simple. Just go ahead and select browse and select the new folder where we want these videos to be saved to. Click on select folder, and as you can see, this has now changed the directory, and we can simply press apply and OK. If you have the advanced mode set here, then you can find this inside of the recording tab. And once again, just change the recording path from here. And once we've pressed apply and OK, that would have now saved the location of our recordings inside of OBS. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.